Connecting with your breath and finding your feet. We'll have a brief meditation today for our Healer's Journey theme. A beautiful theme to help us to be available and connected to our patients, but also not to carry a burden or a load as we do so. So our theme today is the healer's boundary. How do we care deeply without carrying everything? First, just notice what you might be carrying right now, seeing if you can psychologically or mentally just drop some things off and let your hands and your arms relax, perhaps resting in your lap as you begin to allow yourself to breathe in and out. Noticing if you're carrying anything, any personal thoughts, any feelings. There might be the residue of a patient experience or some patients that you think about between appointments, between care. And also there's the weight and the boundary that we have for whatever system we work in, whether or not we've created it or we work in a conventional system or we interact with other parts of the healthcare system, and some things that we carry that can weigh us down with the fact that we're members of a system that is not perfect, it's not ideal, and may or may not be as patient-centered as we want it to be, and may or may not be as practitioner-centered as we would like it to be. So allowing your eyes to close if you're comfortable, placing a hand on your heart and another hand on your belly to see and notice, what am I carrying? Give yourself some time in silence just to see what bubbles up and silently noticing and observing. Allowing the answer to be absolutely anything that bubbles up. What am I carrying? And noticing if there's anything that you can safely and in a healthy way let go of, in the sense, in the context of trust, in the context of boundary, maybe things that aren't yours or aren't your responsibility. What can you let go of? And what can you consciously decide to trust? To trust that will take care of itself. Or maybe trust others to take care of themselves as patients, staff members, family members. And as you continue to deepen that and continue that process of what can I let go of? In what ways can I trust more? See if you can notice if your general hand on heart, hand on belly is as supportive, as present, as loving a contact as possible. Contacting yourself. Loving and supporting yourself as you notice, as you try and let go, as you maybe let go, maybe don't let go, seeing how much forgiveness, love, tenderness, release you can bring to this moment. Maybe you can't let go, seeing how much compassion and presence you can bring and offer yourself with whatever it is you're doing or not doing and whatever it is you're observing. And we'll stay here for about a minute or two, and then we'll complete our meditation. If you were to choose to listen to this meditation again in the future, you could press pause and stay in that compassion, love, forgiveness state as long as you needed to. And in these last moments, just taking off any breaks when it comes to love and forgiveness for yourself. If you're holding back, or if there's any sense of judgment, or you should be different, you should be doing things different, you should be better, just accept and honor that this is your best right now. This is my best right now. It's enough. You are enough. And let's begin to wiggle toes and fingers. I'm just going to raise my hands overhead, which always makes me yawn. A little parasympathetic invitation, just maybe looking around, not just tunnel vision, looking to the left and to the right. Little micro movements with our head, stretching in whatever way would feel comfortable. And completing your meditation and remembering throughout your day or evening, if you ever need a little bit more self-compassion, just put your hand on your heart, put your hand on your belly, and just summon that presence and that love for yourself. Thank you for joining today.